Hey girls, welcome back to my channel Fashionable. Today I am diving into beautiful hairstyle images ideas just for you. For casual to glam, we have got styles to suit every mood and occasions. Whether you are heading to school, college, or a party, there's something here for you. So get ready to screenshots your favorite and let's jump in. Starting off with his this sleek low ponytails, perfect for formal looks. Love our romantic vibes. Try this loose braid with soft curls. Here's a trendy high bun, simple, stylish, and easy to do. Check out this half up, half down style with hair clips, super cute. These bubbles braids are all over Instagram right now. Need something quick? This messy bun is a lifesaver. Here's chic twist side braid, elegant yet effortless. We are loving this straight hair with curtain bangs, modern and sleek. For traditional vibes, this flower braid is a must try. Want volume? This twisted ponytail gives major drama. This fishtail braid looks complicated, but it's so worth it. Soft beach waves always in style. These twin tube braids are sporty and adorable. Add pearls or accessories to your braid for that glam touch. This low bun with middle part is a classy choice for wedding. Try a twist coron braid princess vibe right. These heatless curls give you that soft bunch naturally. Here's a high puff for curly hair beauties bold and beautifully. This sleeked back ponytail is giving major boss give energy. Add a headband or scarf to elevate a basic look. And finally, this braid bun was accessories is totally braid worthy. So girls, which hairstyle was your favorite? Comment below and tell us which one yours going to try. Do not forget to like this video if you found some inspiration. Subscribe for more beauty and stylish. Thank you. Bye.